down your knees, and if you want to pray him, you have to like I don't know.
Bend right
Not
down.
yeah, bend right down. Yeah, but not a normally temple. You just pray. You just standing up and pray. It is different.
What's his name?
Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. You should go to Geelong.
Go to where?
Geelong, the northern type.
And just sort of writing. Can you read this right from the book? What's that?
See?
Oh, you find it.
Yeah. This is the temple, a big one, and there's a different god on the table. And this tiger god is under it.
Oh, he's under
Funny.
the table. Wow.
Something like that. I
And
think.
what's his picture?
So in any kind of I mean, Buddhism really they press a lot of gods. See, they are all different gods. Even this one is one book, the red face god.
So it's three gods. I see three gods. It's a roof and then there's three statues. And down.
For the temple roof,
Yeah.
actually they put different things. And for three gods, I think those are also for one is like for I don't know. I shouldn't say something that I don't know.
Oh. This one here.
I saw it before.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like maybe in the night market, maybe you can also find it. Yeah.
What does it look like?
I don't know. Some of the Chinese people, I mean Taiwanese people, like some of my friends, they
Yeah.
really like to go to the fortune teller. Fortune teller. They got a place, a
Oh,
booth,
yeah.
a small
Yeah,
spot.
booth. Yeah, booth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, fortune telling booth.
Uh-huh.
Just with one.
And
person.
the famous one is near. It's called the Xintiangong.
Token
They're
backgammon.
Hackney
With 23
A,
slivers.
Hackney B,
Of four
two
mushroom
offices
cut
next to each other.
into
I go into the
pieces.
cafe, the Amherst Cafe. Chain the bike up to the railing
Bus 38.
and go in Hackney 1. Go in
The
Hackney
windows are
B,
dirty.
A and B. Back
It's
again.
raining outside.
Cash, collect the cash. Gyromania,
The double-decker bus with smoke belching out the back. Cycling.
and nothing happened.
Iron fences.
Nothing happened.
Metallic rain.
Nobody knew. They couldn't tell, and they didn't
Hackney
care.
Empire.
Left alone to explore
Spotted
the
Gaddafi.
world, the inner
The
world,
green book. The yellow book.
and never come
The
back
red book.
into
And
that
every other
desert
sort
of the
book
mind.
you could imagine.
Hackney A and B,
Piles of
Semi
paper
vacant.
rotting in the doorways.
always lost.